If you are between 14 and 30 years old and you don't watch this video as soon as possible, you're guaranteed to regret it in the coming years. Without wasting time or making unnecessary statements, we are going to share 6 powerful attitudes and rules. By following these, you can become a significantly more powerful person with a strong attitude. After this, no one will dare to disrespect you, and no one will be able to harm you. Watch the video till the end without skipping, because we've recently studied the personalities and attitudes of some powerful people and identified 6 common traits that they all have. Now it's your turn to learn them. 1. Become emotionless. Emotions are one of the most powerful things in the world. A person who can control their emotions is unbeatable, while someone who cannot will spend their life struggling and being exploited by others. Emotions can either motivate you to achieve great things or destroy you if they spiral out of control. The ability to control emotions is not new. Even 500 years ago, decisions were made based on emotions, and that hasn't changed. In today's world, governments, businesses, and corporations have learned how to manipulate emotions like fear, anger, hate, love, and lust to control people. If you can't control your emotions, you become a puppet that others can use. The truly powerful are those who can make tough decisions with a strong heart, staying focused on what's right rather than good or bad. Use your emotions as a weapon to fight your biggest battles and channel them into productive energy. 2. Trust in limits. Trust is essential for society, but excessive trust can be dangerous. History shows how betrayal can occur when trust is misplaced. The lesson is to trust wisely, be vigilant, and avoid sharing too much personal information. The harder it is for someone to break your trust, the more secure and powerful you become. 3. Be stubborn enough to move mountains. Ordinary people live like a rolling ball, constantly changing direction when faced with obstacles. They live with goals imposed by others, and abandon them at the first sign of difficulty. But the powerful are like a river, cutting through stones and pushing forward without changing their destination. Cultivate a stubborn determination to achieve your goals, no matter the challenges, and adopt a warrior mentality to stay relentless. Independence is non-negotiable. To be truly powerful, you must become independent. Relying on others for your life decisions or finances weakens you. While a mentor can guide you, only you can fight your battles. Live as if you have no external support, and you will make fewer mistakes and take more calculated risks. True strength lies in being self-reliant while supporting others around you. Become absolutely fearless. Fear is the biggest weakness. People with insecurities and low self-esteem are easily controlled because they believe they lack control over their own lives. True power comes from overcoming fear. A fearless person is unstoppable, capable of achieving what seems impossible. When you eliminate fear, your confidence and self-esteem peak, enabling you to accomplish anything. Seek knowledge and wisdom. Life is a game where only the powerful survive, and knowledge is your ultimate weapon. As Sir Francis Bacon once said, knowledge is power. The journey of learning doesn't end with formal education. It's a lifelong process. All powerful people, including world leaders, are avid learners. Those who know little talk the most, while those with true knowledge remain silent. If you want to discover the true power of silence and how to make it your greatest strength, watch our related video. Don't ignore it, it might just change your life. Thank you for watching. Remember, these 6 attitudes and rules can transform your life. Stay strong, stay powerful, and keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing content.